Here is a question for JEE Advanced. They are saying an ammeter and a voltmeter are connected in series to a cell of EMF 12 volt, right. So, EMF is 12 volt. When a certain resistance is connected in parallel with voltmeter, the reading of the voltmeter reduces 3 times. Okay. So, reading of the voltmeter reduces 3 times, whereas the reading of the ammeter increases 3 times. So, be careful. So, voltmeter reading reduces 3 times, whereas the ammeter reading increases 3 times. Find the voltmeter reading in volt after the connection of resistance. Okay. So, when you connect the resistance across the voltmeter, we have to find the new value of the voltmeter reading. For this, I am simply giving you a picture resembling the question that is here. Say this is a battery, and we are connected a voltmeter and an ammeter in series with this battery like this. How much is the current that is flowing? So, current which is flowing in this circuit first is say I. Okay. So, the connection may look like this. Say V is the initial reading of this voltmeter, and now to complete this question I have to show you the connection afterwards. That means they are saying a small resistance. So, they never said any value. Still, I am saying certain value of resistance which is said connected across the voltmeter. Say like this. Okay. So, this is the new value of resistance. Probably I may not need to find out how much is the resistance. So, what happened to the current? They are saying the current is increased 3 times. Okay. The voltmeter reading that is reduced by 1/3. Ammeter reading is nothing but 3 times I. This is what I have written here. Okay. The current that is flowing through the battery is 3I, means current increases 3 times, which is nothing but reading shown by the ammeter. Initially the current was I, and now it became 3I. I call this new voltmeter reading V by 3 as V dash. I have to find the value of this V dash later. Okay. So, V dash is equals how many volt. This is the thing I need to find out. For this situation, I am doing the calculation like this. I simply consider this one for this circuit. What I can do? I can simply make the calculation like this. So, I am simply saying this is a V, and the resistance of this ammeter is still unknown. I simply call say some R, whatever it is. So, having said this, what I can write for this battery? So, this EMF is 12 volt which is given. So, that means I is equals, right. So, I is equals what I can write? It is 12 minus this V, right, this V, and whole divided by this R. This is how I can write for the current in the first situation. And later for this situation, what I can write? The current is 3I, which is equals, right. So, how much is the resistance of the ammeter? We never changed the resistance of the ammeter, which be written in the denominator, and here it is 12 volt, which is nothing but this EMF of the battery, and how much is the new voltmeter reading, which is V by 3, right. So, now I written all these things together. Now, I can simply make this solution like this, otherwise I can simply write 3I into R, which is equals 12 minus V divided by 3, right. How much is I? That I already written in this notation, which is 12 V divided by R. That is what I can substitute here, which is 3 into, right, 12 minus V divided by R multiplied by R, which is equals 12 minus V divided by 3. So here the term R get cancelled, right. So this becomes how much? It is 36 minus 3V is equals, this will be 12 minus V by 3. Now I simply reassemble this equation like this, 3V minus V divided by 3 is equals, it is 36 minus 12, right. So once I solve this one, what I may get? It is nothing but 9V minus V divided by 3, which is equals 24. Otherwise I can write 8V is equals 24 into 3. So V is equals, here is 8 and here is 24, that means it is 3, and 3 into 3 is 9, means 9 volt, which is V. This is the initial reading. So be careful, it is the initial reading. That means before connecting a resistance, right, a resistance across voltmeter. And what actually we are asking? How much will be the new reading, that is V dash in our question, right. So V dash is nothing but the voltmeter reading after connecting this resistance. Okay, so we need to find this V dash. V dash is V divided by 3, which is already given. So that means V dash is equals, what is the value for V we got? So we got which is 9 volt divided by 3. So this is equals 3 volt. That means our answer for this question is 3 volt.